guys, today we're doing a review of these Blue Diamond. These are at Costco. Check this out. Blue Diamond bold spicy dill pickle. Now, this is artificially flavored, unfortunately. They were on sale though, so let me show you. So almond spicy dill seasoning and check that out. All right, let's open this up. Okay, so that's what they look like. There's a lot of seasoning in there. Okay, that dill really comes through. Think of it like you're eating a bag of chips, but with almonds. Not bad, actually. I don't like the artificial flavor part. It really doesn't have to be. But anyways, not bad taste-wise. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.